That's a bummer. I was trying to make a tree of life cane, and I fucked it up because I missed. I fucked up the puzzle piece of trying to piece it all back together. And then when I thought I got it, I rolled it out and I hadn't got it. This is the mess I ended up with. That's the mess. That is definitely not. So I got to think of another way to do it. Trying to think of another way to do it. Yeah. I was trying to make a cane so that I could then make jewelry from it. Kind of like I did with these leaves that, I mean, the ones I have, they're, you know, I still have to bake them, but yeah, I was going for jewelry. I think of some other way to piece it all together and not lose my way. Hmm. You think? Definitely not these ones. These are the end pieces and they look like poop. For what it could be. Yeah, no, I know there's definitely things I could do with it, but I mean, it kind of looks lightning-y, but not. Mm-hmm. Just trying to think of a way I could do it or attempt to do it again without wasting so much clay if it doesn't work. That was a good amount of clay that's wasted in that attempt. I'm not saying it's wasted completely, just in that attempt, it's wasted. I can definitely come up with something. See, like this, I mixed those together and you get these cool colors, which is cool.